at my house.
Why can't an elephant stay at your house?
Because they can't. Because the door's locked.
Well, what if we open the door?
Yes.
Then can he come in?
No, it's in the house.
Not in the house?
They're in the house. They're in the house.
They're in the house?
In the house. They're not out the house.
They're not out of the house?
The bear's in the house.
The bear's in the house?
They're in their own house.
They're in their own house? Where do they live? Where do the bears live?
They live in their homes.
Where's their home?
There.
Over there? Next door to our house? Or do they live in the mountains?
They live on the mountains.
What mountains?
1, 2.
2 mountains?
And the other one's 1, 2. I saw one shaking his butt. He's best going. I like to move it. Yeah. He was shaking his butt and I like to move it. He likes to move it.
Do you like to move it?
No. Just one bear like to do it.
Oh.
He likes to shake his head. He's sticking his head out. He was sticking his head out.
You sticking his head out?
He was sticking his out